Introducing the 2021 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This sleek Corolla delivers impressive fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and head-turning style. Comfortable, affordable, and equipped with today's lifestyle in mind, it makes every journey the best it can be. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. Get the most out of every drive when you take the wheel of the sporty and practical Corolla. Come in for a test drive and let us help you navigate your automotive journey.